And we're going to be swapping out these lights for these ones here. Shouldn't be too hard. We'll go ahead and turn off the power to the garage, and then we'll see if this car here starts. I'm not sure if it will. It's been sitting for a while, but we'll give it a shot and see how it goes. All right, well, started, which is awesome. But looks like I have my shovel in the way, so let me just move that quickly. All right, so we're just gonna release the handbrake here and just let this car coast back while it's warming up. Well, that's nice. There's a steering wheel, just a quick update on it. Still there, still hanging in. All right, well, this is the new shop light that was given to me by my next door neighbor. Using the cars as well. You get along great. So this is the light. It is an LED light, and I believe it does take in between 100 to 277 volts, which is perfect for us because we work on 110, if I'm correct, or 120. But I guess a quick garage update. I ended up building some shelves out of wood just to kind of get some of this clutter. Looks like I created more clutter, but it freed up a little bit of space for the car. I was able to get rid of a lot of stuff. I'm able to fit my tires underneath now. This is just, version 1, but we'll figure out something to see if we can get more things here and make it a little stronger and all that great stuff. But all right, so anyways, let's just get to the task at hand, which is changing this light bulb here and swapping it with this LED light. I haven't given it any thought as to which way I'm going to position the light, whether I'm going to position it this way or position it that way. right, so I got all my studs marked, and now I'm gonna play with positioning on where I want the light to lay. I'm thinking that I'm gonna have it run this way. And if I like the brightness of it, then what I'll do is I'll run a light on this side and this side. All right, well, I just got back from Rona, and I picked up some hardware. I picked up some barrettes, some wire, and the plan is to kind of make a bracket so that this light can be mounted to it. So I'm gonna make holes in the wood every 16 inches so that I can hit the studs, and then I'll do the wiring for the light. Alright, well, now that I got all the holes made, I'm going to be using these screws here to tag it into the studs. They're 3 inches long, so it should do the trick. Should be able to go through the wood and into the stud. All right, so I got it done. Sorry I didn't show you all of the steps, but I had to figure out some things, so my apologies there, but I managed to get it up and it looks good. I think in the future I do want to run it this way, or like I said earlier, if I can run it on each corner, that'd be ideal. But yeah, I'm happy with it, and I think one thing left to do is drive the car underneath and see how it looks.